So we got this situation to handle. If g of x, so we got our g of x as x square plus x minus 1, and these guys have given you g of f of x as this part, that we can write 4x square minus 10x plus 5. Okay, now look at this question. So you know that they are asking you to find out f of 5 by 4. So look at this, your g of x. In previous session also we have talked about the similar situation where we have calculated f of x. Okay, so here also we will try to find out f of x. So you know that g of x is 2-degree polynomial. So what should be the degree of the polynomial f of x so that the composition function g of f of x becomes 2-degree? You know that it is degree ka product, है ना? So degree of required thing is 2 and degree of given thing is 1. So the degree of f of x must be 1 degree. So can I go with the standard form ax plus b? Now they have given you g of f of x. So find out g of f of x according to you. Okay, so g of f of x. So in place of x in the function g, you have to replace it with ax plus b. X square plus ax plus b minus 1. Now a square x square plus b square plus 2abx plus ax plus b minus 1. Write down this thing in standard form. So a square, we have x square. Now the coefficient of means I will be writing x. So it is 2ab plus a, है ना? Then we are having x and then the constant part. So the constant part is b square plus b minus 1. Now you have to find out who is a and b. You know that according to us the coefficient of x square is a square, but according to them it is 4. So a can be 2, a can be minus 2. Correct? Now let's proceed. Now focus on the second component. Like I think we should go with the let's go with the second component. So it is 2ab plus a is equal to minus of 10. So you know that a is 2. So can I take 2 common? So we will have 2b plus 1, and this is a is equal to minus 10. Okay, so suppose a is 2. So if a is 2, we will have minus 5. So minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is 3. Minus of 3. So hopefully b is 3 if minus 3 if a is 2. Now we will go with a as minus 2. So minus 2 means 5. 5 means 1 will go that side, it will become 4. So b will become 2. Okay, now in this part we are having, wait a moment. So we have b square plus b minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so look at this. For what value of b we will get the result 5. We have to check. Okay, So substitute b as minus 3. So minus 3 का square is 9, minus 3 minus 1. So in this case we got 5. है ना? And if you'll go with b as 2, so it will become 4, 2 minus 1. Again 5. Okay. So b can take any value. Okay. So I will go with b as anything. Okay. So according to them, b can take any value. Wait a moment. So if b can take any value, we will have f of x. I'll take first. So 2a minus 3, or we will have second function f of x as minus 2a plus 2, sorry, minus 2x. Okay, now we have to find out 5 by 4. Okay, so if this is the function, so 5 by 4 means what? It is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 minus 3, है ना? So 6. So it is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so required value is minus 1 by 2 in the case first. And if we will talk about the second case, let's look at how it will proceed. So if x is 5 by 4, so it is minus of 5 by 2. So minus of 5 by 2 plus 2. So again we got minus of 1 by 2. So in both the situation, you are getting same value for f of 5 by 4, that is minus of 1 by 2. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.